In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear plant lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, if you have not subscribed my channel, please press the red button for subscription and bell button for notifications. Share it with your friends. Share these videos, share the love of plants. Because sharing is caring. Viewers, right now I am standing, or rather walking in a nursery and showing you different types of trees. You can see different types of plants around you. I'm trying to catch a glimpse of some creatures, unusual one but very common in the gardens. Their sights are difficult, they are difficult to see, like birds perched on different branches. You can hear them, but locate them is quite difficult. Until now we are just able to catch the glimpse of crows. Here you can hear the sound of sparrows and the mynas. So viewers, enjoy yourselves with the beauty of nature. Love the plants and make it your hobby. This will be beneficial for you in both the worlds, in this world and the world hereafter. Now we have caught a glimpse of 3 pioneer butterflies. Until some new and entertaining video, stay tuned to Ashraf Botanical Garden. Allah Almighty keep you happy.